Fitting.
So here we are at EPIA looking at their baggage handling system for the future install with the building going on that's supposed to be out there eventually. So here we see the main runs of the system. Stuff going on there underground, poking back up, going down there. That's all the counter side service up through there that we're looking at. A little bit of a tilt, but it was working better earlier when the unit was a little bit cooler. So this thing definitely gets hot, but see a little bit of tilt. What would be neat is to go over there, put another control point, and really zero it in there so you can see what's happening on the inside versus the outside. So, quick little video, just the oversight of it. Let's see if I can go this way. Yep, there's all the Zebra folks.